Hello friends, welcome on my channel Spices and More. In today's video, I'm sharing with you a Rajasthani delicacy which is close to pickle made from guavas. This is guava sabzi or amrut ki sabzi or peruchi bhaji, whatever you want to call it, but it serves as a great side dish with lunch or dinner or to eat with your chapatis or paratha. So let's begin. Here I have taken one roughly chopped tomato, 1 green chili and half inch ginger, and I'll be making puree out of this. Next, heat a pan with about 2 tablespoons of oil and I'll be adding in 1/4 teaspoon of nigella seeds or kalonji. Let it crackle. In goes half teaspoon of mustard seeds, then I'll be adding in half teaspoon of cumin seeds or the jeera seeds. Next goes in 1/4 teaspoon of fennel seeds or badi for that aroma. Next 1/4 teaspoon of fenugreek seeds or methi and a pinch of asafoetida or hing for digestion. Now I'll be adding in the tomato puree which we made earlier. Give it a mix and stir it continuously. Keep the flame on low to medium. In goes 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. These are all the dry spices. 1 teaspoon of chili powder. You can increase or decrease the spiciness. Half inch of cinnamon stick and again give it a mix. And look at that beautiful color. To fasten the process of cooking, I'll be adding in salt as per taste. This will help to cook tomatoes faster. This recipe is very quick, simple and very easy to be made. Next I'm adding 1 teaspoon of jaggery powder as this is sweet and spicy sabzi. Give it a mix again. Now as you can see, the moisture is getting oozed out from the tomatoes. Now I'll be adding in 1 tablespoon of yogurt or dahi. And when you're adding this yogurt or dahi, keep the flame on low, otherwise the yogurt might curdle. Give it a mix thoroughly. I find this recipe very close to pickle recipe. Now as you can see, the oil is getting separated from the masala. Here I am adding half teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder for that vibrant red color. Next I'll be adding in 1 teaspoon of garam masala. You can use any garam masala of your choice. I wanted to finish the packet, so I use this. You can use homemade garam masala also. Again give it a mix. Now you can see the oil started floating on the surface and our masala is ready. At this point I'll be adding in lengthwise cut guavas, which is also known as amrut or peru. I have discarded the seeds. I'll be mixing it with the gravy and coat each and every piece of this guava. Next I'll be adding in little water so that the guava turns soft and cooks thoroughly. Give it a mix and cook until the guava softens. Close the lid and cook it for 3 to 4 minutes. And now you can see the gravy has reduced and guava is also cooked properly. You can adjust the gravy. If you want to eat with the rotis or chapati or paratha, you can keep more gravy. I wanted this with the rice, so I've reduced it very much. And our delicious, yummy and unique guava sabzi or peruchi bhaji is ready to be served. I hope you like today's recipe. If so, please hit that like button, share this recipe with your loved ones and subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed so far. Thank you for watching and see you in my next videos. Take care. Bye bye.